NASA missions continue to offer stunning views of the far-flung reaches of our solar system, from the surface of Pluto to the rings of Saturn. But in its latest set of images, the organization has revealed how many of these neighboring planets and moons resemble objects found much closer to home, frying pans. Jupiter's 4 large moons were discovered by Galileo in 1610, and in 1989 NASA launched a spacecraft named after the astronomer to explore the gas giant. As Europa orbits Jupiter, it experiences strong tidal forces, similar to the tides in Earth's oceans caused by our moon. These forces cause Europa to flex and stretch because its orbit is an ellipse, rather than a circle, and the tide is higher when the moon is close to Jupiter than when it is farther away. NASA found that this continuous flexing creates heat, which makes Europa's interior warmer than it would be from the sun's heat alone. The forces also cause its icy outer shell to flex, likely causing the long, linear cracks and ridges seen in images captured of its surface. Europa is of particular interest to scientists because it appears to have the 3 minimum requirements needed to sustain life: liquid water, chemical elements including hydrogen peroxide and oxygen, plus an energy source created by the moon's flexing. NASA's Galileo craft launched with 9 science instruments including camera and spectrometers to produce high-resolution images of Europa's surface and determine its composition. An ice-penetrating radar is used to determine the thickness of the moon's icy shell, while a magnetometer measures the strength and direction of the moon's magnetic field. Mr. Jonason's first Devour project was completed in 2013. He described each frying pan as worn out and revealed he shot hundreds of the skillets before selecting the 9 for his final still life. He said their resemblance to planets and moons was intentional and believes slide number 3 looks like Mars, including its polar ice caps and solid carbon dioxide. Meanwhile, slide number 8 resembles Neptune's tranquil blue appearance. In NASA's image, the space agency deliberately replaced one of the original pan images with its shot of Europa's moon. The Devour 2 project went live in May and features a number of pans that look like Earth at night with scatterings of light and dark.